stop. No, where are you going? Where are you going? You want to get peanut butter? Are we going to get peanut butter? What's up? You tell me. Yeah, I know what you're doing. What are you doing? Oh, you're such a smart guy. It's okay. Don't be afraid of the toaster. There you go. It's alright. It's safe. Yeah, I know. I should put it away. What's in there? You never seen in there before, huh? Peanut butter is way too important to you, isn't it? Look at you, Coco. Get it open. You can do it. Here's your peanut butter. You're so cute. Oh my gosh. Got it on your head, dude. Oh my god. Oh. That's right. That was good, huh? Mm.